Hello everyone, my name is Jalen Cook. I am currently teaching 8th grade math and Algebra 1 at a small school located in Texaco, New Mexico. Um, I am currently teaching in both the middle school and high school. And as you guys know, in a small district, you kind of get thrown into everything, which I love coaching, but I'm currently coaching 3 sports. I am the JV volleyball coach and varsity assistant, and then the JV basketball coach and varsity assistant, and then varsity track. So my plate is pretty full in regards to those extra responsibilities and all that comes with coaching, including driving the school bus. And then you have other things like being a class sponsor and, getting my master's in technology. There's lots of technology issues that people bring to me whenever they have trouble with, and it's just one of those things that you love, being in a small district and wearing many hats. I'm sure someday, after I've been doing this for a long time, I might kind of get tired of it, but this is my 3rd year in the district and my 4th teaching overall. The person that had the most influence on my life was my mom. She actually passed away whenever I was 5 years old from breast cancer, and at that time, my sister and I have a twin sister, had just started kindergarten at Texaco. So I'm actually teaching in the district that I graduated from and grew up in. And she was part of the reason why I wanted to actually come back to this district. She was the elementary school principal there whenever she got sick and when she passed away. And, not just because of that, but her ability to lead during that time and the amount of impact that she made on students and staff while she was there is just incredible. And she was one of the big reasons why I wanted to become a teacher, just because I thought if she can make that big of a difference, I believe that maybe I can just impact one kid as much as she impacted hundreds. My heart was in education always, but she was one of the main reasons for that, and she's one of the main reasons why I still live my life the way I do today. On to my personality test results. So extroversion, I scored 70. It might be a little high. I don't feel like I'm a real big extrovert. I do love to talk to people, and I'm not afraid to go make conversation. But as far as just, several of those questions were about being the life of the party. That is not me for sure, but I don't mind talking to people and making conversation. I'm not a big public speaker. I don't like getting in front of people. But I do like making conversation. Emotional stability, 89. There's times where I really do not like confrontation, and I get a little bit emotional there. But as far as people telling me things and me, holding my own and being level-headed, I feel like I'm pretty good there. Agreeableness, 93. I do not like confrontation. I just said that. And so a lot of things I do just agree with, and as well as I want to make people feel like their opinions are valued. So I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but I am very agreeable. Conscientiousness, 93. I feel like I am very aware of what's going on, and I try to, understand people's feelings and think about feelings whenever I'm making decisions, and who they will impact. And then intellect, imagination, 34. I kind of don't feel like these should be in the same category. I feel like I am intellectual, but I don't talk with big words like the questionnaire ask. But I do not have a very vivid imagination. I pretty much stick to the script, and I can do whatever you tell me to do, but I don't, have extravagant ideas off the top of my head. I need other people to kind of bounce ideas off of. And then finally, the 2 leadership styles that I feel like I am are authentic leader. I really want to be true to myself always, and I feel like that's the best type of leader, is to be honest and trustworthy. And in sports, that's about the only leadership position I've had so far. I do feel like I have been a honest leader, and then a servant leader. I want team members to feel like they have a voice, and to be there for more than just being a boss or a leader. I want them to feel like they can come to me with anything, and that I am trying to, do whatever is best for them. And I feel like my current principal is like that, and that's one of the best types of leaders. So that's me. I hope you guys enjoy this class, and I look forward to working with you.